Beginners often ask, do you really need to prime a model kit before painting? The short answer is yes, but not always. Technically, you can apply paint directly onto plastic, especially if you're working with small parts. However, skipping primer can cause a few problems. Paint may not stick well, the coverage might look uneven, and the finish may not be very durable. Today I'll be using Ammo One-Shot Primer. This primer is ready to use straight from the bottle. When using an airbrush, spray it at about 1.5 to 2 bar, from a distance of around 15 centimeters or about 6 inches. Primer improves adhesion, meaning the paint sticks better to the surface and forms a smooth, even base. It also helps reveal hidden seams, sanding marks, or surface imperfections that might be hard to see on bare plastic. That way you can fix them before applying the final paint layer. The one-shot primer range works great on plastic, resin, and metal parts, including photo-etched details. One-shot primer becomes dry to the touch in less than 20 minutes, and it fully cures in about 24 hours. Once it's fully dry, the surface can be sanded or even polished if needed. So the conclusion is simple. If you want strong paint adhesion, fewer surprises, and a clean professional finish, priming your model is definitely worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.